Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video we will show you how to fix your need permission to perform this action in Windows 10 and explain why this error appears and how to solve it safely. Now let's get started. Step 1. Locate the target folder you want to fix. Step 2. Right-click on the folder. Step 3. Click on Properties. Step 4. Click on the Security tab. This section controls who can access the folder and what actions they are allowed to perform. Step 5. Click on Advanced. Step 6. Under Owner, click on Change. Changing the owner gives you control over the folder permissions. Step 7. Click on the field. Enter the object name to select. Step 8. Type Everyone. Step 9. Click on Check Names. This verifies that the name you entered is valid in the system. Step 10. Click on OK. This confirms the owner change. Step 11. Click on Add. This allows you to add a new permission entry for the folder. Step 12. Click on Select a Principal. This lets you choose who will receive the permissions. Step 13. Type Everyone. Again, selecting this ensures the permissions apply to all users. Step 14. Click on Check Names. Step 15. Click on OK. This saves the selected principal and moves to permission settings. Step 16. Check full control under Basic Permissions. Step 17. Click on Applies To. This option controls where the permissions will take effect. Step 18. Select this folder, subfolders and files. This ensures all items inside the folder also receive the same permissions. Step 19. Click on OK. This confirms the permission settings you selected. Step 20. Check Replace all child object permission entries with inheritable permission entries from this object. Step 21. Click on Apply. This applies all the changes you made to the folder. Step 22. Click on Yes. This confirms the changes and allows Windows to update permissions. Step 23. Click on OK. This closes all windows and completes the process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful tutorials.